Hello and welcome! Today we are going to explore a fascinating manufacturing process. We will learn how a common plastic is transformed into a strong and useful fiber. We're talking about polypropylene fiber, a material you can find in ropes, carpets, car interiors, and even reusable shopping bags. It's all around us, but how is it actually made from simple plastic pellets? Let's break down the journey from raw material to finished fiber. The entire process begins with a step called polymerization. We start with a gas called propylene, which is a byproduct of oil and natural gas production. Through a chemical reaction using catalysts, these small propylene molecules are linked together into very long chains. This process creates the polymer known as polypropylene, which is then formed into small, hard pellets or granules. These pellets are the raw material for our fiber. The next major step is extrusion. The solid polypropylene pellets are fed into a machine called an extruder, where they are heated until they melt into a thick, syrupy liquid. This molten plastic is then carefully filtered to remove any impurities and pushed by a screw mechanism towards a special device called a spinneret. A spinneret is essentially a metal plate with many microscopic holes, similar to a shower head. As the molten plastic is forced through these tiny holes, it emerges as multiple long, thin strands. This part of the process is called melt spinning. Immediately after leaving the spinneret, these hot, delicate strands are cooled by a blast of controlled air, which causes them to solidify into continuous filaments. At this stage, the fibers are solid, but they are not yet strong. To give them strength and durability, they must go through a crucial process called drawing. The newly formed filaments are pulled through a series of rollers, with each roller rotating faster than the one before it. This action stretches the fibers to several times their original length. This stretching forces the long polymer chains inside the fiber to align and straighten out, creating a highly ordered crystalline structure that makes the fiber incredibly strong and resilient. Finally, the fibers are ready for finishing. Depending on their final use, they might be crimped, which adds waves and bulk to make them softer and more suitable for things like carpet pile. They can be cut into shorter, predetermined lengths called staple fibers, which can then be spun into yarn like natural fibers, or they can be left as long continuous filaments and wound onto large bobbins or spools. From here, the polypropylene fiber is ready to be shipped and woven, tufted, or molded into the countless products we use every day. So, that is the amazing journey from a simple gas to a versatile and robust fiber. We hope this look into the manufacturing world was interesting and easy to understand. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and ringing the notification bell so you don't miss our future uploads. Your support truly helps us continue making content like this. We'll see you in the next one.